Ladies and gentlemen, when Assam Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma spoke to me last night, he's made some very strong points and he triggered a larger national debate. It is not just about Assam anymore. A pan-India debate has started on what? To snuff out appeasement in any form. India against appeasement. Real secularism is my first debate tonight. Tonight, the real secularism is on test. And the pseudo-seculars, for multiple reasons, Assam, the Karnataka Waqf scam, are suddenly feeling really insecure, which is why I believe this is the time to push the debate further. So tonight, let's debate.
Sir, you have lost right to be appeased. We are not going to appease you.
That's very strong statement.
We are not going to appease you.
If you're watching this debate,
we are going to respect you.
His assertive statement on the show last night has triggered a larger debate on real secularism. The Assam government's bold decision to stop funding 1,000 state-run madrasas has promoted a similar demand in other states as well. In Maharashtra, a BJP MLA has written to Uddhav Thackeray.
महाराष्ट्र सरकार से मदरसाओं को जो आर्थिक मदद दी जाती है वो तत्काल बंद करे, इस प्रकार की मांग मैंने माननीय मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी को खत लिखकर आज की है.
In Himachal Pradesh, the Education Minister in Jai Ram Thakur's cabinet is in the process of finalizing a decision on the same lines.
मदरसों में पढ़ने वाले बच्चों को भी राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति के आधार पर और आधुनिक शिक्षा से जोड़ा जाना ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है.
As one state after the other slowly moves towards plugging appeasement completely, the so-called custodians of secularism are getting edgy. The ones who insulted Hindu festival Kumbh in the past are now questioning the spending on Kumbh Mela.
कोई भी धर्म हो या किसी भी महापुरुष के बारे में एक उदाहरण हमने दिया कुंभ का. बस हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा से पूछिए ना क्यों उन्होंने बोला. उन्होंने कहा कि सरकारी पैसे से किसी धर्म की पढ़ाई नहीं होना चाहिए. वही मैंने बोला. और क्या बोला है मैंने.
Kumbh to Karnataka. The hypocrisy is more than evident. The Congress that is known to hurt Hindu sentiments is now facing charges of allegedly looting land meant for the welfare of Muslims.
वक्फ के 29,000 एकड़ लैंड, these were all surreptitiously, illegally transferred to commercial interest. जो रिपोर्ट में नाम है सूर्यवंशी, एक्स MP, CM इब्राहिम, एक्स यूनियन मिनिस्टर मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे. Report names them as benefiting from lands that were belonging to the Waqf.
Not just the Congress, even Mamata Banerjee, who's been caught on the back foot for appeasement politics, is now facing questions from the Calcutta High Court over the intent behind announcing doles for Durga Puja committees.
The Kolkata High Court today made an observation and questioned the West Bengal government's intent of granting 50,000 rupees grant or doles to every registered Durga Puja club in the city. Does this practice only happen for Durga Puja and clubs pertaining to Durga Puja, or is this something that happens during other festivals or not?
Assam, Maharashtra, Himachal, Karnataka, West Bengal. New India is moving towards restoring the real essence of secularism. No appeasement, no vote bank politics, only development. Why are so-called secular parties then hopping mad? Let's debate.